To show you why I choose this humidifier from TBI Pro instead of the old model from other brand. The main issue these old humidifiers have is that you have to add water from the bottom. So you have to take a water tank, yeah, and add water from the bottom. It's quite difficult, as for me. And with this model you just open the water tank and add water directly to it. So it's much easier. And now I will show you the difference with them. So I turn this on and this one. Yeah, it works too, but as you can see, water steam goes down and you will have wet surface below it. And with this model, water steam goes directly up, and it is better, and it will give you more results. And this model has a sleeping mode, and what I like about it is with this remote you can turn it off even if you're already in bed. Just press and you have a sleeping mode. And also what I like about this, you can choose what level of humidation, of air humidation you want to have. So as you can see, it's set to 76. It's quite much, but when you have heating already in your room, in your house, it's good to use this humidifier, because your kids and you won't get ill, because skin inside their nose won't be dry. And also I will show you how it looks without light. As you can see, it has a nice LCD display which lights up when you use the remote or make some changes. Okay, thank you.